Open Tally Prime. First we will create ledger. So from Gateway of Tally, click on create and then ledger option. So I'm going to tell you how you will be create ledger. So first I'm going to create Suman Trading Company ledger under sundry creditors, as because we are going to purchase, so purchase ledger we will create, our suppliers ledger we will create under group sundry creditors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Fill all the information related party like address, pin number, GST number, everything, and save this ledger. So let's record entry. First, I'm going to show you how you will be record entry if you're a trader and you purchases office board and sell them. So how you will be record for sale and purchase. So from Gateway of Tally, we need to press V so that voucher can be open. And from the right hand side, you need to select purchase voucher. Click on change mode. We will change mode item wise, as because we are going to purchase this stock item. By pressing F2 you can change the date in which date you have purchased, suppliers invoice number, and in party account name select party from which party you are going to purchase. Name of item. So from here you need to create office board. By pressing Ctrl C you can create office board. Under process, GST will be applicable and set alter GST yes. Fill the HSN code of the product and 18% tax rate will be applied. And in quantity, fill quantity, fill rate, and here we will apply taxes. If you have purchased from local party, so apply CGST, SGST. If you have purchased from interstate, so apply IGST. So here we have purchases from local party. So this is how we can record if you are a trader purchasing office vote for sale and purchase purposes. Second entry, I'm going to tell you if your purchase office vote for your office uses purpose. So how you will be record this entry? You can record this entry in purchase voucher and in journal voucher, in both voucher. It's totally up to you in which voucher you want to pass entry. So I'm going to tell you in both the voucher how you will pass, in purchase voucher and in journal voucher. So let's show me first purchase voucher. So you need to change the mode, select accounting invoice mode, and from here you have to create office board ledger under group indirect expenses, and directly you have to fill the total amount of the bill. Let's suppose you have purchased office board at the rate of 10,000 per pieces, and CGST SGST will be applicable if you have purchased from local. So this is how you can purchase in purchase voucher. And how you will be recording journal voucher. From the right hand side select journal voucher. By pressing F2 you can change the date, and here you need to first debit office board ledger will be debited taxable amount you need to debit over here. So 10,000 will be debit and we will debit again tax. So selecting by select CGST, input CGST, input SGST. So manually you need to fill the tax amount, and in the last party ledger will be credited. So in this video we have seen two entries if you're a trader, sale and purchase office board. So how you will record that entry, and in second if you purchase office board for your office users, so how you will record that entry in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime, and first I'm going to show you how you will be create your buyer's ledger. So from Gateway of Tally, I want to show you created ledger. So click on alter option and then ledger option. Here you can see I have created Shubham Trading Company ledger under sundry debtors group, and the main option is maintain balances bill by bill. Make sure this option will be marked as a yes so that you can maintain your accounting bill by bill. So this option must be marked as a yes and save this ledger. Let me record you sales entry so that I can show you how you will be maintain bill by bill accounting in Tally Prime. So from Gateway of Tally, I'm going to press V and I have selected sales ledger, and I have selected my buyer's ledger, and in sales ledger sales account, and I'm going to sell here TB. In quantity I'm going to sell 10 pieces at the rate of 22. Now I will apply taxes. Here I'm going to apply CGST and SGST as because I'm selling product in local state. So this is how we have record sales entry. So click on go to option and then ledger reports option and then ledger reports. So here I have opened Subham Trading Company's ledger. You can see there is showing one entry of sales and the total amount of 1,28,000. Let's suppose party has made some payment after some days. So we have select receipt voucher. Party ledger will be credit. This is the most important. Here you have to adjust against which reference you are going to receive the payment. So I have selected invoice number 13. We are going to receive the payment and our bank will be debited. Save this ledger. Now you can see first we have sold the 1,28,000 and after that we have received 1 lakh rupees payment from the party. After some days, as per the party requirement, again we sold some product to the party. So here I'm going to duplicate the sale voucher so that I can change the sales voucher. And by pressing F2, we can change the date. And here party is asking TB5 quantity. So I have changed TB quantity 10 into 5. If you're duplicating vouchers, so make sure in new reference invoice number should be changed. So I'm going to change here invoice number. So you can see we have sold two invoices to Subham Trading Company and we have received only 1 lakh rupees. After some days party make some more payments. Party is not making bill wise bill payment. They are giving randomly payment random amount, so we are going to receive again one more payment. So receipt voucher has been selected, date has been changes, party will be credit. Let's suppose party make us 60,000 payment. This is a very important point. Here you need to make sure against which reference you are going to receive the payment. So I'm going, the tally is showing two invoices, invoice number 13 and invoice number 14. Make sure first you need to adjust old invoice and after that you can adjust the new invoice. So I have adjusted invoice number 13 and 14 and save this entry. Now you can see there is showing in debit side, you can see our sales amount is 1,92,000 and in credit side you can see we have received 1,60,000. 32,000 is showing in debit side. This is the outstanding amount. From the right hand side you can see bill wise option is showing. Click on bill wise option and you can see there is showing bill wise amount. You can see there is showing invoice number 14 and the opening amount, this is the total bill amount. 64,000 was bill amount and 32,000 it's a pending amount. This is a bill wise pending report is showing over here. Only we have one invoices. You can see in opening amount, this is the total invoice amount 64,000 and in pending amount you can see 32,000 it's a pending amount. If you want to see your electronic cash ledger and electronic credit ledger on GST portal, so how you will be see? First, you need to log in GST portal and click on dashboard option. Now you can see there is ledger balances is showing IGST, CGST, SGST. Electronic cash ledger, you can see how much electronic cash ledger IGST, CGST, SGST and electronic cash credit ledger, how much IGST, how much CGST and how much SGST is available. You can see on the screen. So in this way you can also analyze. Will be cancel generated e-invoice on e-invoice portal. This is a invoice. You can see on invoice IRN number and acknowledgement number is showing. So how you will be cancel? First you need to log in your e-invoice portal. Now you can see e-invoice portal, click on drop down option, select cancel option. You can cancel your e-invoice with acknowledgement number and IRN number. On invoice both number is showing. You can select any of one. You can select IRN number or you can select acknowledgement number. So I'm going to select acknowledgement number and click on open your e-invoice portal. Both option is showing. So if you want to cancel with acknowledgement number, select acknowledgement number. If you want to select with IRN number, so you can select IRN number and click on go option and here you can cancel your e-invoice. But you can cancel your e-invoice within a 24 hours. Open Tally Prime and Gateway of Tally, click on create option and then Godan option. I have created two Godan, so you can create Godan. So I have created Godan number 1 and Godan number 2. From Gateway of Tally, press B. From the right hand side, click on other vouchers and select stock journal voucher. If you want to transfer your stock Godan number 1 to Godan number 2, so how you will be transfer, I'm going to tell you. Select first, you need to change the date, in which date you want to transfer your stock. Here is showing two columns. In column number 1 you can see source consumption, and in column number 2 you can see destination production. So column number 1 you have to select your godown from where you want to transfer your stock. So I'm going to select first item, jigat powder, and after that you need to select your godown. So after selecting product, select the godown. So I'm going to transfer this stock godown number 1, so that's why we are going to select godown number 1, quantity and rate you can fill. And second, I'm going to select charcoal powder. In godown always you need to select your godown. So godown number 1 I want to transfer this stock, so I will select godown number 1. One by one you need to select all those products you want to transfer. And in the second column, in destination, you have to select where you want to move your product from godown number 1. So I'm going to select the same product you have selected in column number 1. So I'm going to select jiggat powder, and in godown you can see I have selected godown number 2, as because we are going to transfer jiggat powder, all this stock godown number 1 to godown number 2. So one by one you have to select all those product you have selected in godown number 1, and you can select your godown number, and if you have godown number and if you have godown name, so you can select. So in this way you can transfer your stock godown number 1 to godown number 2. Save this entry. In this way you can transfer your all stock you want to move one godown into two godown. From gateway of tally, press DSS. Now you can see there is showing stock journal entry. Press enter and you can see entry you passed, that entry will show you over here. If you want to analyze the stocks, so from gateway of tally, press yes. Now you can see all those stock is showing over here. So godown number 1 and godown number 2, if you have created godown, so you can see godown was stock analyzed in Telegram.